I just got this from Temu. They really pick this shit up, so I'm gonna try to open it as best I can. I don't really remember what I got, but it was a while back. Multifunction holding machine, washing machine, clothes fitting, clothes, healthy cleaning. Compact folding, safety material, 3-dimensional washing, deep cleaning. One machine is multi-purpose, solution as whole, gently wash and protect, and saving energy. Okay. I guess this is the dryer part. I got purple, which I thought I got another color. Okay. How do I push it up? Oh. Handle, washing machine to drain it. So I'm guessing this is like when I want to dry it, put it like that, and you close it. It goes exactly on that. I guess this is just without it, or you put this to dry it. I don't even know, to be honest. Let's see. Let's try it out then. It's on like a 10-minute cycle, so it's gonna stay like that for a while. I'll show you when it's over. Yeah, you can see that? It's very strong if it's doing that. I'm trying to draw them which just use the regular dryer. It's good for washing, but not for that.